Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network and updates, because AirPlay depends on matching Wi-Fi and compatible software. First, make sure Apple TV has AirPlay enabled in settings, then confirm your Mac is on the same network. Once done, open Control Center on the Mac and click the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon to start discovery. This immediate action kicks off device pairing, so follow prompts quickly and allow the Mac to search. You will see the Apple TV appear in the list when ready. After the Apple TV appears, you select it from the AirPlay list, and if the TV shows a code, enter it on your Mac to pair securely. Once connected, decide whether to mirror your built-in display or use the TV as a separate display. Make that choice from the same AirPlay menu. Then, open System Settings displays to adjust resolution and scaling for sharp text and proper aspect ratio. This matters because mismatched resolution creates blur or black bars, so tune it to match the TV output. To finish, stop AirPlay from Control Center. When you're done so both devices return to normal and networks free bandwidth. Make sure audio routes to the Apple TV by selecting it in Sound Settings, and use your Mac's volume for quick adjustments. If you experience lag or stuttering, try moving both devices closer to the router, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or reduce streaming quality. These steps lower latency and restore smooth playback. If pairing fails, reboot the Apple TV and Mac and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.